Imagine a place where the rhythm of the ocean sets your clock, and the only crowds you'll find are shorebirds. A place where nature's beauty remains unspoiled, just waiting to be discovered. Welcome to Bear Island, a true hidden gem nestled off the coast of North Carolina. As part of Hammocks Beach State Park, this 4-mile-long barrier island offers a rare opportunity to step away from the everyday and immerse yourself in pure coastal serenity. There are no bridges and no cars here, just miles of pristine shoreline accessible only by ferry, private boat, or kayak. It's an escape that begins the moment you set sail. Okay, we finally found a parking spot at Hammocks Beach State Park, and now we're going to take the ferry over to a desolate Bear Island. Desolate, deserted. Nobody lives on it.
But tons of people are there.
Bear Island's story is one of preservation. For generations, this land has been protected to maintain its wild charm. When it became a state park, the decision was made to keep it as a natural sanctuary, allowing us to experience the coast exactly as it once was, raw, beautiful, and profoundly peaceful. It's a commitment that ensures every visit here is a step back into a simpler, more connected world. Your journey to the island is an experience in itself. The Hammocks Beach State Park Ferry provides a scenic ride across the sparkling Intracoastal Waterway, offering breathtaking views and a gentle transition into island time. As you approach the dock, you'll feel the anticipation build, knowing that you're heading to a place where the noise of the world finally fades away. For those seeking a truly immersive escape, Bear Island offers a primitive camping experience like no other. Imagine falling asleep to the lullaby of the waves and waking up to a spectacular sunrise over the Atlantic. With 13 designated sites and minimal amenities, it's an opportunity to truly disconnect. Just pack light, leave no trace, and prepare for an unforgettable night under the stars. During the day, the island becomes your personal playground. Anglers will find abundant fishing in the surf, casting for drum and flounder in the rolling waves. For the collectors, the shelling here is phenomenal. Every tide brings new treasures to the shore, from colorful coquinas to intricate whelks. Or perhaps your perfect day involves simply spreading out a towel, soaking up the sun, and letting the gentle breeze whisk your worries away. While the island embraces its primitive nature, there is a seasonal snack bar and bathhouse near the landing. It's a convenient spot to grab a cool drink or a quick bite, ensuring your day of adventure is comfortable without losing that away from it all feel. Bear Island isn't just a destination, it's a feeling. It's the quiet solitude, the unspoiled dunes, and the gentle reminder of what truly matters. It's where memories are made, one wave, one shell, and one breaking sunset at a time. If you're yearning for an escape or simplicity reigns, Bear Island is calling.